Welcome. Today, we're diving into a creative powerhouse, the combination of Midjourney and Nano Banana. These two platforms, when used together, can transform your approach to photoshoots, mood boards, and style creation. Whether you're a designer, marketer, or just love experimenting with visuals, this workflow will simplify your process and unlock new creative possibilities. We'll walk through the entire setup, from the basics to advanced tips, and there's a special gift waiting for you at the end. Let's start by understanding what makes this duo so effective and how you can leverage their strengths for your own projects. You might wonder, why use both Midjourney and Nano Banana? The answer is synergy. Midjourney excels at generating stunning images from prompts, while Nano Banana, powered by Google's Gemini, brings flexibility and advanced editing capabilities. By combining them, you can create editorial photo shoots, product sessions, and mood boards with just a click. Plus, you'll avoid the Gemini logo watermark, giving your visuals a clean, professional look. This workflow is perfect for anyone seeking efficiency and creativity in one streamlined process. Before we jump into the workflow, let's set the stage. To begin, you'll need access to both Midjourney and Nano Banana. If you're new to Nano Banana, it's worth reading up on how it works with Google AI Studio. Once you're set up, you'll be ready to pair Midjourney's image generation with Nano Banana's editing power. The process is straightforward, and you don't need to worry about complex coding. Just follow along as we break down each step. Let's start with Midjourney. Imagine you want to create a fashion editorial portrait. Using reference images and a simple prompt like woman portrait, Midjourney generates a stunning base image. This image serves as the foundation for further creative exploration. The key is to keep your prompt organized. And if you want, you can format it in JSON for clarity. This step ensures you have a high-quality visual to work with as you move into the next phase. Once you have your Midjourney image, it's time to craft a prompt for Nano Banana. You can use a simple JSON-style prompt, which helps keep your instructions organized. For example, you might specify the model, input image, and a seed number for reproducibility. This prompt is then pasted into Google AI Studio, where you upload your image and let Nano Banana work its magic. The result? Multiple creative outputs from a single reference image. After uploading your prompt and image to Google AI Studio, Nano Banana generates several variations based on your instructions. For example, you might receive a contact sheet, character sheet, or different product angles. If you want even more variety, simply change the seed number in your prompt. This flexibility allows you to experiment and find the perfect visual for your project, all while keeping your workflow efficient. Let's look at more examples. Suppose you want to create a multi-view product presentation. Simply upload your product image and use a tailored prompt in Google Studio. Nano Banana will generate multiple perspectives, making it easy to showcase your product from every angle. This is especially useful for e-commerce, marketing, or creative portfolios, giving your audience a comprehensive view of your work. Sometimes, you need your product on a clean background. Nano Banana makes this easy. By adjusting your prompt, you can specify a white or gray background for your product images. This is perfect for catalogs or online stores, where consistency and clarity are key. The process remains the same. Upload your image, tweak the prompt, and let the AI handle the rest. Nano Banana isn't just for products, it's great for character design too. By uploading a character's face, you can generate a full character sheet with multiple views. This is invaluable for illustrators, animators, or anyone developing original characters. The AI fills in the gaps, creating perspectives you might not have considered, and even helps with 3D modeling references. Let's get creative. Nano Banana allows you to experiment with different materials. For example, you can turn a camera image into a glass sculpture or a stone statue. This opens up endless possibilities for artistic exploration, letting you visualize objects in new and unexpected ways. It's a fun way to push the boundaries of your creativity and see your ideas come to life. Now, let's streamline everything. Instead of jumping between platforms, you can build an all-in-one interface. By using the Build section and selecting Empty, you can create a custom interface where you simply upload an image and write a prompt. The system uses Nano Banana's internal API, so your images come out clean, no Gemini logo. This setup saves time and keeps your workflow organized. Meet HalfJourney Suite, a creator tool designed for subscribers. This template lets you use your own images to generate styles, mood boards, and photo shoots with a single click. The interface is user-friendly. Just press Continue to the app, and you'll see the dashboard. You can save your work, organize your projects, and even share your creations. It's a powerful way to bring your ideas to life without technical hassle. The HalfJourney Suite dashboard is intuitive. You can save copies of your projects, name them as you like, and manage everything from one place. This makes it easy to keep track of your creative work, revisit past projects, and stay organized. The Save feature is especially handy for building a portfolio or sharing your workflow with collaborators. With HalfJourney Suite, you can generate style images and mood boards inspired by your uploads. Whether you're looking to create a cohesive visual theme or gather inspiration for a new project, this tool makes it effortless. You can simulate SREF templates for Midjourney, create inspirational images, or quickly produce photo shoots all from a single interface. Need quick inspiration for your next photo shoot? The suite can generate photo shoot images based on your Midjourney styles. This is perfect for brainstorming, pitching ideas, or simply exploring new creative directions. The process is fast, intuitive, and designed to keep your creative momentum going. A quick tip: Google limits the number of images you can generate daily unless you add an API key. While this is a bit technical, it's worth considering if you plan to use the workflow extensively. The process is still accessible for most users, and you can always find more detailed guides if you want to dive deeper into customization or automation. In conclusion, combining Midjourney and Nano Banana creates a workflow that's both powerful and user-friendly. Google's Nano Banana acts as a versatile tool within a larger creative orchestra, while Midjourney brings visual beauty to the forefront. The system's no-code approach and flexible prompts make it accessible to everyone, whether you're creating for yourself or offering services to others. Embrace this workflow, and you'll find your creative process more efficient, enjoyable, and inspiring.